Imagine writing code without typing a single line. Just tell AI, I want a game where cat jumps on clouds. Boom, it's done. This is vibe coding, where artificial intelligence literally codes by your feels. If you're already hooked, smash that like and subscribe. Welcome to WOWdo, the channel that makes artificial intelligence easy, fun, and totally mind-blowing. Today, we're diving into one of the wildest AI trends of 2025, vibe coding. No syntax, no debugging, just vibes. But is it real magic or a dangerous shortcut that could break the internet? Let's find out. So, what exactly is vibe coding? In simple terms, it's programming without programming. Instead of typing strict syntax, you just describe what you want. Example, build me a website that feels like Netflix, but for books. And the AI delivers a working site with menus, login, even recommendations. The code isn't typed by you, it's imagined by AI. Think of vibe coding as creative wish granting for developers. Vibe coding is powered by 3 AI superpowers. First, natural language processing. AI understands messy human instructions. Second, code generation models like GPT-5 and Gemini can write clean, production-ready code. Third, autonomous debugging. AI tests itself, finds errors, and fixes them. The workflow feels like magic. You describe the vibe, AI builds the skeleton, AI runs it, and you get a working product, from idea to execution in seconds. And here's where it gets insane. Real people are already using vibe coding today. A student built an AR app by saying, I want to catch butterflies in my room. A startup built a TikTok clone in just 2 hours. And a designer? They created an AI music generator without writing a single line of code. These aren't demos. These are real apps used by real people. Vibe coding isn't the future. It's already here. But hold on. Vibe coding isn't all sunshine. There are risks. First, security holes. AI might generate unsafe code hackers can exploit. Second, over-reliance. If new devs only vibe code, they never learn real programming. And third, the scary one, AI coding AI. Endless loops of black box systems that no human fully understands. Imagine bugs replicating faster than viruses. Imagine AI launching systems humans can't even shut down. It sounds like sci-fi, but experts say it's closer than we think. So what's next? Is vibe coding the death of traditional programming? Experts say no, it's an evolution. For students and creators, vibe coding is perfect. It removes barriers and lets ideas flow. For hospitals, airplanes, banks, human engineers will still stay in charge. Think of vibe coding not as a replacement, but as a superpower for imagination. The real future? A partnership. AI builds the foundation, and humans add control, logic, and creativity. Vibe coding is wild, fun, and just a little scary. It shows how far AI has come and how fast the future is arriving. Would you trust AI to write your code? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI magic. This is WOWdo, making artificial intelligence easy, fun, and mind-blowing. See you next time. Join the WOWdo journey. Hit subscribe now.